shades on.
Why not?
Oh, you have shades on too?
Yeah.
Yours are prescription. Good morning, good morning. A lot on today's schedule, excuse me while I drive. We are checking out the brand new development by Omniat, the one and only, the Lana. Now this is an incredible building that was just built in the Business Bay, and if you're not familiar with Omniat, they're the ones that built that crazy building on the Palm Jumeirah called One Palm. So really excited, we're gonna be meeting with Maria. I also wanted to introduce Pranav, because I don't think I did that earlier. Please, Pranav, introduce yourself.
What's going on, guys?
So this is one of my best friends, a brother to me, and the founder and CEO of the best real estate marketing agency in Toronto, Code Blue Media. He just flew in a few days ago, so thank you, brother. Thank you for tagging along. So yeah, let's go check out some sexy real estate. The Jacob & Co building by Benghazi, which is going to be absolutely insane. I believe it's going to be the tallest residential building in the world. And this is Lana. Okay, so welcome to Lana Residences. This is an ultra luxury development by Omniat, and it's a hotel and residences. And it's also being managed by the Dorchester Collection Hotel, which is from London. So expect the finest luxury when it comes to service. And you know what, Pranav, let's just turn around and show them almost 24-foot ceilings. It's an absolutely incredible view the moment you walk into the unit. And this right here is a showstopper. So this unit is a duplex, and it actually has 3 formal living/family rooms. This is the first one. So if you want to have like some friends over for some drinks, or maybe play a game of chess, lovely place while you enjoy your incredible view. And then when you make your way down, by the way, there's actually 2 entrances to the unit. You can actually enter from one floor, or you can enter from the floor right under it. Because again, it is a duplex. So, you know, you have the option of 2 separate entrances. And that's actually good if you wanted to have like your older kid or maid, they have a separate entrance, which is upstairs. Would you take a look at that? Lovely views of the Business Bay. And shortly, you're gonna see the Burj Khalifa view as well. So on my right, we have a massive dining room. This is approximately 12 foot. You know, you can imagine how much space this place offers. You also have a lovely office right next to your dining room and your formal family room. And this is for that CEO lifestyle. I mean, I'm a little bit lost for words, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm a big fan of wood paneling. So, and this is all standard stuff when it comes to Omniat. This was actually personally customized. And then over here, we have another formal living room. So, you know, if you don't want to use the one upstairs, then you have another one over here. But you're probably asking, where's the TV? Like, where do I actually sit down with my family and maybe watch a movie? Well, if you were to come this way, this is where you would do that. We have a massive kitchen on the left, absolutely gorgeous. Everything built in, amazing wood finishes. And then of course, your family room. While you enjoy these lovely views of the Business Bay. And of course, if you come with me, there we are, the Burj Khalifa. An absolutely stunning view of the marina and the downtown Dubai skyline. Now, this is actually not the kitchen that you would use. This is just kind of like a show kitchen, because when you're spending 20 million US dollars, you know, you don't really cook in the actual kitchen. You got another kitchen for the cooking. We have the maid's kitchen. Plenty of things to do in here. Isn't that lovely? Let's check out this bedroom. So there's 4 bedrooms. Here's one of them. Massive rooms, huge. I would say at least 15 feet of a bedroom. And this is just one of 4. So you can imagine the amount of square footage that a unit like this offers. So the master bedroom's actually upstairs. When we talk master bedrooms, this is the pinnacle of masters. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, you have the same view as the living room, the money shot. Every single morning, you get to enjoy this view. Can't forget about the bathroom. Of course, your double sink. You have a separate shower and a separate toilet room. You have the freestanding tub directly in the middle. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Okay guys, that was an absolutely stunning unit. We're gonna go meet with Maria, the sales manager from Omniat, and she's gonna tell us more about the development itself and what's coming soon. So let's go. By the way, I don't know if the audio is gonna be okay, but we kind of forgot one of those fuzzy things. So they're just doing some window cleaning here. So we're gonna take an awkward little route, but this is usually obviously more comfortable. Hey Maria,
Hello,
how are
welcome.
you?
Welcome to Dubai. Good, how are you?
Thank you. The unit was lovely,
Yes, it's
absolutely
amazing,
stunning.
right?
Yeah.
All right, so now you saw the inside of the building. I'm just gonna speak to you a little bit about the outside of it. So I work for Omniet, which is a developer of this beautiful residential and hotel. It's Lana. It's the 10th Dorchester hotel in the world. As you can see, it's two towers. One is the residential, and then to the left is the hotel. The hotel will officially open February 1st, and the first two floors is gonna be a retail village managed by Dorchester.
It's like, sorry to cut you off, Maria, but did you say there's a Michelin star restaurant in this building?
Actually, there's a restaurant from a Michelin star, his first restaurant ever in Dubai. It's called Hara, with a J, J-A-R-A. Chef Martin has 12 Michelin stars worldwide.
Wow.
For the first time, he's coming to Dubai. Another thing to note is that we're gonna have the first branded spa in Dubai ever by Dior.
What?
Absolutely.
This is big, guys. This is big.
It is very big. Right now, in the residential side, we only have an amazing penthouse that's going to be ready early next year, 2024. That is the only unit, 10001. It's a beautiful penthouse. However, you missed your opportunity here in Lana. We're going to have Vela and Vela Viento just down the road. Another thing, this beautiful marina in front of us, we as Omniat have bought, and we're the first private developer in Dubai to buy water. And something exciting is happening there soon as well.
The only one left in Lana right now is an absolutely stunning sky villa. And if you've missed your chance in Lana, Omniet has more opportunities right here in Business Bay. Maria,
Yes.
how do we get started? What do we do?
What do we do? So shall we talk about Vela
Yes,
a bit?
let's talk about Vela.
All right.
So from my understanding, Vela is just
Vela is
down
just
this boardwalk.
down this boardwalk over there, where the sign is now covered up. We just started construction. Vela is very unique because it's 38 units, 1 unit per floor. All of them with a private lift entrance. Some units have private pools as well. And right now we have 4-bedroom double height ceilings available in Vela. We have 3 beautiful penthouses with their own pool. 1 Sky Terrace penthouse, and we also have a Sky Palace available. But more about the Sky Palace only when you get a client inquiry.
Okay, so you guys heard that first. If you're interested in a unit with this incredible developer, Omniat, obviously you know who to reach out to. With that being said, is there anything else, Maria, that we'd like to share?
There is a lot more coming up from Omniat. We also have Bella Viento, which it's an investor's dream because we have 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom and penthouses available with amazing sky amenities. We have an infinity pool 100 meters above ground, and our tower is going to be the tallest tower here next to the water, 180 meters tall.
I hear cash flow. Do you hear cash flow?
For you, for sure I do. Yes, absolutely.
Wonderful. Omniat is one of the most incredible developers here in Dubai. And if you're an investor or an end user looking for top-notch, ultra-luxury lifestyles, you have now found your future home. Thank you so much for watching. Maria, thank you so much.
Thank you. And stay tuned. Next week, we'll take you to the Palm so you can see our other projects there.
All right, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We got tons of more content coming. With that being said, my name is Maria. This is, sorry, my name is Nav. This is Maria. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
See you guys soon.
Peace.